The contentious issue of whether Gimpo-si, Gyeonggi-do should be considered part of Seoul is currently a hot topic in South Korea. The People Power Party has taken a stance on this, setting up a task force and proposing a special law to address the matter. In contrast, the Minju Party of Korea has criticized this move, deeming it premature and a suboptimal election strategy. Today, we'll delve into the intricacies of local government districts and the procedures involved in such incorporations. What is a local government? Local governments in Korea enjoy self-governance in their respective districts, free from central government interference, thanks to the autonomy granted by the country. Upheld by the Korean Constitution and democratic principles, this local autonomy empowers residents to independently address and resolve local issues, rather than relying on directives from the central government. The Local Autonomy Act categorizes local governments into various types, each having its own assembly and government. For instance, Do has a provincial government with a provincial assembly and Do governor, while Si operates with a city hall, city assembly, and city mayor. However, only the central government can exercise trial jurisdiction. Districts and incorporations of local governments. The way local areas are divided and named is decided by laws called the Local Autonomy Acts. If we want to change the names or borders of these local areas, we need to make new laws, and that has to be done by the National Assembly. This process is guided by the idea that the people who live in these areas and the local councils should have a say because it affects their lives directly. When there are disagreements between what the local councils want and what the residents want, we can have a vote among the residents to decide. For example, if we want to include Gimpo-si in Seoul, we should listen to the Gyeonggi-do Council, which includes Gimpo-si, the Gimpo-si Council, and the Seoul City Council, especially because it's about changing the borders. It's important to know that, so far, we've always needed the local council's agreement to make these changes in the law.